Hello everyone, this is Dot's Locks. Welcome to our channel and welcome to our challenge lock picking video. In the vise today we have Skid Row. Just about get that turn of the vise. That's the bit into the key. Now let's see what it takes to get into this bad boy today. If I can in fact get in it. Slow, cool movement then. And we're open. I didn't take too long at all. So Skid Row has been completed. That was my first attempt on camera. I have opened it previous, but I only got it once and I got it in the hand, so I was pretty happy to get that open that fast. So Skid Row complete. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.